To view more information on a treatment, simply click on an offer, for example Nd:YAG laser hair removal, and choose the treatment. As you scroll, you'll see a little bit about the treatment, the salon terms and conditions, the location, as well as their opening hours. Here you will see reviews, where you can write your own review for the salon. Click on the share button where you'll be able to share this treatment through WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and so on. If you like the look of this treatment and you want to save it for later, just click on the heart. This will then be added to your favorites. If you'd like to see more offers from this salon, click on More Offers from Us. If you'd like to get alerts, simply click on the alerts button. What would you like to get alerts for? It could be hair removal, Nd:YAG laser hair removal, or any treatment provided by the salon. Click on apply. You have now subscribed to these alerts. If you're not sure on how to get to the salon, you can either scroll down, find the map, and click from there. Or you can click on the How to Get Here button. This will take you straight to Google Maps showing you the direction. If you click on Book Now, so click on a day, select a time. Once you confirm that you want this treatment for this day and time, click on Confirm.